Hello, this is Greg from SharePoint Maven, and in today's video, I would like to explain to you how you can easily switch the date fields, the format of a date field from a friendly to standard format. Let me explain to you what I'm talking about. So by default, when you, let's say, create a new library or have an existing library and upload some documents into that library, what happens is that if you notice on the modified date column, it obviously shows us the date it was last modified. However, if you notice, instead, in some instances, instead of the typical, month, date, year format, it shows us either, the month and date, no year, or in some cases, just shows us, when the document was modified a few minutes ago, a few days ago, etc. This is what's called a friendly format, all right, where instead of the actual date, it actually shows us kind of a, in a text format, kind of explains us when things were modified. What if I want to display month, date, and year, the standard format? Well, what we need to do, we need to change the style from friendly to standard. Let me show you how to do that. So on both the system, the system date fields like modified or created. I don't have created column here, but we can also display created column. On both of the system fields, by default, it utilizes what's called the friendly format, but I'm going to switch it to standard. Here's how we do it. Gear icon, library settings. We need to go behind the scenes. Here is our column modified right here. All right, and essentially, if you notice, right, the format is friendly. We need to change it to standard, and all you need to do is just click OK, and let's check it out. Here we go. We have the month, date, year, and even the time stamp as well. Now, what's also important is that if you decide to create your custom column, let's say we are going to create an expiration date column. All right, so here we go. I'm just creating a custom column. On custom columns, by default, it utilizes the standard mode. So you can actually force it to be friendly, but by default, if you create a custom column, just something to remember, you don't even need to worry about it. It will display month, date, year format for those. All right, and yeah, that's pretty much it I wanted to show you in this video. There is not much to it. I do find this format much more user-friendly since we're used to this. So heard this request quite a few times, so decided to record the video, and hopefully you learned something new today. As always, happy to see you on my blog, SharePointMaven.com, as well as my YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Have a great rest of the day. Goodbye.